Hello and welcome to the ISO 9001-2015 Awareness Training Program. In today's session, we will focus on Clause 9, Performance Evaluation. This clause is all about how we monitor, measure, and evaluate the effectiveness of our quality management system. In this session, you will learn: what is Clause 9 about? Key requirements of Clause 9. Simple definitions of common terms. Why Clause 9 is important in garment manufacturing. And finally, the best practices you can apply in your factory. What is Clause 9 about? Clause 9 is focused on collecting data and using it to evaluate performance. It helps your factory understand if processes are working properly and if customers are satisfied. The idea is to make decisions based on real evidence, not assumptions. Key requirements of Clause 9. 9.1 Monitoring, measurement, analysis and evaluation. This is about tracking quality data. For example, record your inline defect rates, customer returns, and on-time delivery performance. 9.2 Internal audit. Conduct regular audits to see if processes follow your QMS. For example, the QA team audits the stitching section and finds SOPs are not being followed. 9.3 Management review. Top management reviews overall QMS performance. For example, a monthly review meeting is held to discuss KPIs, customer complaints, and actions taken. Here are some simple definitions to help you understand key terms in Clause 9. Monitor. Regularly observe or check something. Measure. Collect data or numbers to track progress, like 95% on-time delivery. Audit. A formal check to see if processes are followed properly. Management review. A meeting where senior leaders review QMS performance and make decisions for improvement. Why is Clause 9 important in the garment industry? It helps prevent repeated quality problems by analyzing real data. It shows buyers that your factory takes performance seriously. It helps you understand what's working and what needs fixing. And it creates a culture of accountability, learning, and continuous improvement. Here are some best practices for successfully implementing Clause 9. Use a KPI dashboard to track things like defect percentage, shipment timelines, and customer returns. Train your internal auditors to be fair, objective, and focused on the process. Maintain a formal audit schedule and checklist. Keep records of customer complaints and how they were resolved. Hold management review meetings regularly, either monthly or quarterly. Summary of Clause 9. It ensures you base decisions on actual performance data. Internal audits help verify that your processes align with ISO standards. Management reviews connect leadership with real issues from the shop floor. Overall, it supports continuous improvement in your factory. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you now have a clear understanding of Clause 9, Performance Evaluation under ISO 9001-2015. If you found this session helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future lesson. See you in the next session, Clause 10, Improvement.